draw a cute Hello Kitty together. We start with her eyes and little nose. Now we will paint her head and ears.
Went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
We paint her hands. A beautiful dress.
Father and I went down
And then
along with
we
Captain
paint her
Pudding.
legs.
There we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
And finally, we paint a crown on her head.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will
Well,
not ride
let's
without
go to
them.
coloring.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up,
We
Yankee
color her crown with yellow and red colors.
girls be handy.
Well, for this part, we use happy pink colors.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony.
And finally, we use pink, yellow, and red colors to color her dress.
Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.